I am Scottie Pedersen, and I've worked for Truck Transport about 14 months now. Still kind of freshly new, I'd say, I guess, but I work as a logistics coordinator here. I negotiate uh, loads for drivers and find loads for drivers and coordinate their trips between freight. The best part about my job is just getting to know the drivers and getting to know our customers, and just building those relationships with everybody, I would say. Day in the week of a logistics coordinator, it gets pretty hectic. I would say it kind of starts off, mornings are kind of slow. You kind of catch up with all the guys every morning, all the drivers, and then it's kind of a rat race of trying to find all the loads for guys to get them home every week, and find the best suited loads for everybody. The longest trip I've ever coordinated, that's kind of a hard one. I would say it's somewhere in between, because we usually normally do 1,600 miles pretty regular for just one single trip. I would say somewhere between 1,600 and 2,600 miles for just a single trip, point A to B. But a round trip could definitely be twice as much as that. There's been quite a few interesting things that I've seen put onto trailers here. Some of my favorites are a lot of the older collector tractors that you see. Otherwise, I would say one thing, I can't remember who coordinated it, but it was called a Scorpion King, which was a forestry equipment that would cut trees down and feed it through and cut all the limbs off. I thought that was a pretty interesting piece of equipment. A little known fact about my job, or what I do here as well, is when you think logistics coordinator, you think that we're just coordinating loads for the drivers. But one thing that we also do is brokering loads out to people. So finding other companies to take loads for us and accommodate to our customers.